I know you were watching these numbers as they broke. Just tell us what it indicates for the rest of what's to come from the European luxury earnings this season. Of course, LVMH, a massive player in this space, a bit of a barometer when it comes to luxury.
Yes, indeed, Lizzie. I mean, overall, the results were negative, and crucially, the key fashion and leather goods units was down 5%. That was much worse than expected. And in terms of geographies, China is the region where it's hurting the most. But there was a lot of focus on tariffs and the impact on business. And what the CFO said is that the aspirational categories, so if you think about beauty and if you think about cognac demand in the US, these were the categories that were seeing maybe an initial impact, but so far the fashion and leather goods units, is proving solid when it comes to reacting to those tariffs announcements.
All my favourite things going up in price, mon Dieu. Angelina, why can't they just expand US production, get round these tariffs?
Yes, and so when it comes to tariffs, I mean, there was a lot of questions about a price, as you say. She said that she believes that they have pricing power. Obviously, they can hike prices, and consumers may not necessarily curb their spending on those goods. So, but you have to take into account that in recent years, luxury brands have also increased a lot of their prices. So they're going to be, it's going to be a delicate move there. And when it comes to production, I mean, LVMH does have output. Production plans for Louis Vuitton and for Tiffany. Tiffany is a U.S. jewelry brand that they bought a few years ago. So she said that they have room to boost the output capacity in those two brands. But LVMH is not thinking of radically changing its U.S. output strategy.